Paper trading for beginners, TradingView paper trading, how to paper trade on TradingView step-by-step guide in this video. I am going to teach you how to start paper trading on TradingView step by step. If you're new to trading, paper trading is one of the safest ways to learn because you can practice with virtual money instead of risking your real funds. First, open TradingView in your web browser or the desktop app and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, create a free account and log in. Once you're signed in, open the Supercharts page and search for the market you want to practice trading. You can choose from stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, commodities, or futures that support paper trading. Next, open the trading panel at the bottom of the chart. From the list of available brokers, select Paper Trading and click Connect. TradingView will instantly create a virtual trading account with a virtual balance, allowing you to practice without risking real money. Now you're ready to place your first trade. Click the Buy button if you believe the price will move higher, or click Sell if you think the price will fall. Before placing the order, choose the type of order you want to use. A market order executes immediately at the current market price. A limit order executes only when the market reaches the price you specify. A stop order becomes active once the market reaches your chosen trigger price. After selecting the order type, enter the quantity you want to trade. It's a good idea to start with small position sizes so you can focus on learning instead of taking oversized trades. Next, set your stop loss and take profit levels. A stop loss helps limit potential losses if the market moves against you, while a take profit automatically closes your trade once your target price is reached. Review all your order details carefully, then click Buy or Sell to place the trade. Once your trade is active, you can monitor it in the Positions section of the trading panel. Here you'll see your entry price, current profit or loss, position size, and other important information. If you decide to exit the trade, simply click Close Position and your trade will be closed instantly. You can also review your completed trades in the History section, where you'll find details of every order you've placed. This is a great way to analyze your performance and identify areas for improvement. If you ever want to start over, you can reset your paper trading account from the account settings. Keep in mind that resetting the account will remove all open positions, pending orders, and trading history. Here's a pro tip: treat your paper trading account exactly like a real trading account. Follow proper risk management, avoid overtrading, and keep a trading journal. Developing good habits during practice will prepare you for real market trading much more effectively than simply trying to make the biggest virtual profits. And that's how you can start paper trading on TradingView as a complete beginner. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more TradingView tutorials, and let me know in the comments what topic you'd like to learn next.